location for Skull Island, Amity Island, and Isla Nublar. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the woods.
We call this Old Mexico, ladies and gentlemen. Recently shot down here the Showtime series Shameless, starring William H. Macy and Emmy Rossum. Hey, we got some rain. Looks like Al's forecast is right on the money. As you can see, folks, rain is created by an overhead sprinkler hidden from view. We just shoot water straight up in the air and then let it fall naturally like rain. The problem is when we get too much rain, it can lead to disaster in the form of flash floods, and we've got one headed right for us. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you're sitting in a blue seat, you may get wet on our tour today. Here's what it can look like on film.